Okay, so today is the 15th of May. The mailman came this morning and dropped off this container of 30,000 bees, or 10,000, or however many thousand. And they are now in the third hive. These bees are the replacement for the bees that disappeared on me after I brought them back from Beverly. About 3 weeks after I installed them, I checked inside and there was nothing in there. So I don't know where they went, but maybe Miami. But anyway, they're in there. That yellow tag is, you can see there, is the queen. I got her pinned up, hanging vertically so that they can get her out of the little cage she's in. She's in a wooden cage with some screening and a candy plug in it. The bees will eat the honey or the candy out and let her free to start making more bees. But everything here so far is okay. Not sure when I can put the supers on, but maybe sometime within the next 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks, and honey production will start in full.